Hi everybody, welcome back to another brand new episode. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to leave a fantasy league in ESPN. In order to leave ESPN Fantasy League, you just have to follow the steps. So first thing first, you wanna go ahead and log into your ESPN Fantasy League. When you're logged into your account, that's gonna take you to the home page. So from the home page, tap on League. Next thing, what you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and scroll down a bit and find out the group or the league that you want to go ahead and get rid of, and then you could see this sort of page. So here you want to go ahead and delete the league. When you've actually selected the league, now you need to go ahead and click on the league button or leave button in the top right hand side corner of your screen. Once you actually press on it, you should be able to delete it. Now you cannot leave after the draft is done. That is why the option is not on my screen. When you want to join the group or the league, you have to rejoin it by following the draft procedure. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.